Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about how to create your food truck business website on Wix.com. So Wix.com is a website builder that help individuals and businesses to create and manage their account and their websites. So the first thing to do is to create your account and sign in up. Next, you have to create new site by answering some questions given by Wix itself. So we have here food truck. Food truck. You can choose what type of food truck you have. We have gourmet, Spanish, desserts, sandwiches, Asian, burger, pork, AK, Indian, Cajun, pizza, and others. So next, what's the name? What's your restaurant name? We have Madara around the world. Something like this. It's a food truck. What are you waiting for? So what do you want to add to your website? We have restaurant menus, chat, groups, food orders. No, they can't order because I'm just a track. We can't set table reservation. It's hard. Online store, booking, events, blog. Yes, events. Not tickets, but events like we will be in this city on this date, something like this. Forms, Instagram feed. Yes, Instagram will be helpful. So let's disable the chat and add a form. Next, you can start setting up your restaurant by going to the dashboard, or you can just complete it by choosing a template and start editing the design of your website before the informations. But let's go back to dashboard and follow the steps given by Wix.com. So yeah, this is the second time that Wix changes to editor X, and we have to wait or do something about it. Preparing your dashboard. Let's just create the website for now and manage the dashboard later. So I think Wix.com is changing its name to Editor X or something like this, because those 2 days when I searched for Wix.com, I found myself on Editor. So this is not our business today. Our business is a food truck website. So let's continue. Here you need to add the logo, the name, the email address. The address where you are now. But I don't think a food truck will have an address. Transport is what specified this food truck, so you need the phone and social accounts. Click on next and pick a theme you like. You have the jet black, the deep forest, the elegant, the spark, the evolution, the retro. And I think the spark is good for a food truck business, and it can, yes, it was the best to choose. So no, this one, because of the title, I didn't think it will be like this. Welcome to Mother Around the World. Not this one, but let's keep it simple for now. So now we have to add some pages like Catherine, contact, opening hours, press, about. Now, welcome to your website. You can start editing. This is just the beginning because not all the informations are here, because we didn't put even our food menu, our services and others. You can just save it and go back to dashboard. And now the dashboard opened easily. So we just have to continue following the week's steps to create the website and publish it. Yes, you will ask me why didn't I click on publish here, because we didn't complete the steps. You can add your business informations here. We have the, the name, category, the logo, and the short description, something like this. Now you need location and info. You need to enter and save an address before adding second location. So like I said, it's a food truck. How can it have a specific location? So next you have to create a menu, and this is the hardest step for me because I don't know nothing about food. I mean food serving. Let's add something like this or not. Let's just continue with the lunch menu. I don't have an image. Describe your section and add. So let's go back home. It's in progress, and publish your site. It's easy, you just have to click here. Here we have get found on Google, and it is the last step depending on Wix. The last step is start your CEO journey and get found on Google. So the first question is, what's your brand name? Next. Where do you serve your customers? We have physically, but we don't have an address. Yes, it's good. Now you need some keywords. Let's just re-put the title. We have this one. We have track food healthy, something like this, and you can choose to 5 keywords. Now we just have to add title, track food healthy. Sounds silly, but let's continue. Next, we have to set a description. It's better contain the here we have one keyword and your business site name, and I can gather them in one place by writing this. Now I need to enlarge it to 15 words. Sorry, I meant to click on this one to add. Now add and publish. Now your website is published and you can view it. And the two last steps is to connect it to a domain. Here you have to upgrade your account, your membership to access to a domain to be like madarafoodtruck.com or something.net and other domains. You will have to pay or upgrade to get this domain. Then you connect and submit your site on Google. You can't complete it unless you complete all the checklist. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.